So a lot of people were complaining that the space this stylist left for this hairstyle is too wide, or was too wide. Let me put it that way because it's not recent. For me, I think the stylist knows what she's doing and she knows the type of hair she is working with. Probably if she didn't do it this wide, maybe the hairstyle will be faulty. I want you to watch till the end so that you can see the outcome of the particular hairstyle she wants to get. And let us also look closely. Let us consider the hair of this person. You know, if you can see clearly, if you observe, you see that she doesn't really have hair at the front side. And the stylist, there is a way she tried, bringing them all together just for her to be able to get that cutting and everything. So to the hairstyle, this hairstyle is going to end up like a low cut, but I don't want to spill everything. I just want you to look at it and tell me what you also think. If you think the space is too wide, or you think it's perfect for the person's hair, you get. And this hairstyle, some persons call it scissors hairstyle, some persons call it low cut hairstyle, or just the afro vibe, the old school afro vibe low cut hair. And the extension she actually used here, the pack is darling. She used darling. So if you have this kind of darling pack in your area, you can get it. If you do not, I think kinky will do, but it will not come out as perfect as the way this particular extension came out. Or you can get something similar actually. So I'll be waiting for your response for what you think about this style. It is beautiful for me, and for me, I think the stylist knows why she ended up putting enough gap for this particular hair. So I'll see you guys in the comment section and in the next video.